Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. According to our monitoring spirit, which they call Football Insider, so they're going to let us know say Man City don't ban any future transfer dealings with Arsenal. And the reason we're going to hear this from say they thought that they get internal arguments, internal battle for Man City. Say they question Guardiola say why he go give first team players to Arsenal, because as it stands now, Arsenal will be the only people where they challenge them to the title. People like Liverpool, Man U, Chelsea, Spurs, those one fall like a pack of cards. Now only Arsenal can still they stand. Only Arsenal can they block their way from greatness. You get, so they did very very sad. They got to say in the future, say anytime where Arsenal comes, they won't carry anybody to one side. Say make them no ever sell anybody to them, because Arsenal see the reason to go there, go shop. You get some first team players ready for bench. We know really they get game time. We get a lot to prove. That is why they talk say they no go sell to Arsenal. And make I know like the reason we make people like Pep Guardiola sell all those Zinchenko and Gabriel Jesus to Arsenal, because they don't ever envisage say Arsenal. They don't see say Arsenal one day will become title contenders. The team when get for a man like making just help in second that Arteta, I mean just help him bring Arsenal up, like Moko enter top 4. Nobody say Moko can they compete for the title. Nobody saw us coming. Everybody they talk say we are not ripe for the title. Well, even we will be fans, we are in denial. We talk now only top 4 now we want. So now the situation of things now be this now. This goes to show that Man City itself they respect us well. Everybody is seeing what we are doing, and they know say now the two people we then bring from Man City now transform now majorly transform the team, because Zinchenko and Gabriel Jesus, if say they know they don't feel they smell well with it. In as much as say Gabriel Jesus know the score, but you can't deny the hard work, the work when they put for the team. You can't deny it. So away from that, Gazzetta dello Sport don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Borussia Mönchengladbach striker where they call Marcus Thuram. This guy, the score plenty goals, and once you make me like the guy, say he's a target man, standing 6'4". He's very very tall, and at the same time the guy they score plenty goals. In 17 matches, he don't score 13 goals and made 4 assists this season. You get, and another thing will come make me give the guy confirm respect. Now the fact that France carry and go World Cup in the Qatar like this, so for them to even invite him, it shows you are good, because for you to be invited by your country in the midst of many players ready for that country, they can't choose you among others. Come on, you are a selected senior man. You get elite players now you be. So the reason we make Borussia Mönchengladbach sell the guy now, be say the guy said they are the final lap of his contract. He no one sign new contract. Now last season his valuation was about 40, 45, 50 million pounds, but because of his contract situation, they don't bring everything down to like 10 million pounds. So Arsenal the reason say they want sign. In fact, make I even bust your brain. Newcastle coach Eddie Howe, they already the good personal talks. They don't they talk with the player. They don't they talk like they are racing to sign him, because I don't just understand Newcastle. Newcastle get Wood, we then sign. They get Alexander Isaac, they get Wilson. Now they won't sign this one. Where then go play? I don't just understand. We are everywhere. How will they keep all these guys happy? And that one me I don't know. But as the reason the guy, say we all know that we need a second number 9 to assist Gabriel Jesus, a goal scoring number 9. But the problem I have now is what will be the guarantee, what will be the assurance, say this Marcus Thuram will score for Borussia Mönchengladbach. What is the guarantee that when it comes to the EPL he will hit the ground running? That's the question why I always they ask. I don't want to hear adaptation, integration, patience, all these keywords. I don't want to hear them. So Fabrizio Romano self don't come outside call the talk say Michalo Mudryk now be Arsenal priority for this January when they come like this. Say Arsenal just need that winger we go come transform the place, come replace or cover for Saka or for Martinelli. But the problem, according to Fabrizio, be say it won't be easy. It is a money issue. It's not about the player's preference. Everybody knows the player's preference. So, but right now, it is a money issue. Can Arsenal pay the asking price of Shakhtar Donetsk? Now, what we will never know. So, we'll just watch. And another thing we say, this Michalo Mudryk self, in they eligible to play for the Europa League round of 16 for Arsenal if Arsenal sign him, which means by March, by the time we go meet anybody who won't meet, Michel will be eligible to play for us, which is another incentive for Arsenal going for him. That's what I want to say, because according to new law, the talk say even if you don't play Champions League, as long as you don't enter round of 16, all those your history they go wipe out. So you can play for us for the Europa League. Because I read it yesterday, so I was very, very happy. So okay, I'm not saying Arsenal don't make the guy their priority. The guy says don't come in the open talk saying Arsenal like, so everything at the money. Can Arsenal cough out that 85 million pounds or 65 million euros? Any IB, just can be cough am out, go sign am. More they watch. As long as Fabrizio don't let us know, say we did serious in signing this guy. So anything can. Our Barcelona don't put Memphis Depay for sales for January. Say anybody want to sign him, but they go carry him. So once upon a time, Arsenal be the reason the guy said they interested in signing him. So I don't know whether Arsenal is also going back, because remember we are going back. We are going for Marcus Thuram. At the same time, Memphis Depay don't they up for sale, because I was asking yesterday, say how many number 9 they available for the market in world football, as in people, elite players where they available go fit sign. So now we are looking at Memphis Depay, even though Arsenal never officially say they are looking for him. Some of the heavyweight transfer gurus never link Arsenal to that player, even though they've linked him in the past. Because Memphis Depay go they look say he gets players ahead of him in the pecking order. People like Ansu Fati, Ferran Torres, Lewandowski, they are ahead of him in Barcelona. So instead go look for another place where he go. And what maybe the guy will say, the guy get power, he gets agbára, he gets can push people, go score, all those kinds of things. We need them, he gets, even though he no be target man, that is the different vibe where Marcus Thuram will give us. But any Ibisha, we'll just watch. All of us know, so we need a second striker. About ESPN Brazil, so if don't come outside, they let us know, say Palmeiras, would they willing to sign this to sell Danilo of Palmeiras, their own player, to Arsenal for 20 million pounds if Arsenal pay them the money. See, if Arsenal send the money now, they're willing to sell. So now whether Arsenal, sometimes Arsenal they will value player a different way. Whether Arsenal said they're willing to pay that 20 million pounds, because we know we need a midfielder, also a defensive midfielder who can cover for Partey in case the guy get injury. Because this season is becoming a special season, the guy never really gets another injury. After that, when he gets that, when Ghana play Brazil, he gets. Never nothing don't do him again. Don't go like 13 matches Arsenal run and nothing happen. So we just see what you go stop with this Danilo deal. Everything in January. Good. We just see. Our Emmanuel Petit self don't come outside the talk, say William Saliba won't prove to Arteta, say Arteta make the right choice. You get that what me I feel. And you know, say Petit because the talk says Saliba get revenge for him mind. Arteta no play him, Arteta send them out to the wilderness. He go Marseille, go suffer there, go OG Nice. Like they never play him since. They're supposed to only play him since like he was ready, but for the manager eyes, he wasn't ready. Now we say the manager don't bring him. So he gets everything to prove to the manager, say you did the right thing, because they even send Ben White to go for the flank because of him. So he has every right to play and show the manager, say, Baba, na correct decision now you make. And now part of the reason we make us do where we did this season, we never conceded a lot of goals. And who else did it? That William Saliba addition for that back line now strengthen our spine. Now it is hard to break us down. If we just score one, forget them. Came in dead. Our surprise, Douglas Luiz, they're very, very keen to leave Aston Villa to come join another club. I know say Arsenal nearly won't sign this guy for the previous transfer window. And the reason we make the comment say why this guy won't go, because he just signed a contract. Get if you know say no go won't stay, why you can't sign the contract? Now the problem is the person will convince him to sign the contract, they don't sack him. Get they say they sack Steven Gerrard after like maybe 1 week after him sign contract. Get so now a new coach with a new philosophy, with new players who go like to use, don't come in. So him now the reason say that love no really did, they like you know they happy. So they don't sell the person who really beg. Just like what happened to Aubameyang now. Person who bring and come, nobody gonna do there again. That be the major issue. So now we gonna gas to the proof to the person, the new person say I'm good enough. Whereas the old person know your ability, like you already don't know, say okay, this is what you can do for me. So that's the bone of contention. That's where he finds himself right now. So whether Arsenal will go back for this guy, because Arsenal they know not to go back for a player who them beat for before. Arsenal get that very, very bad habits. Because when you check out, look at people like Awa, we won't go for Awa, kill ourselves at the end of the last, we go for him, we no go for him. So I don't know how this one will be, whether we'll go for him again. We'll just watch him. Master Wenger said don't come outside the talk say England go reach the semi-final of the World Cup, saying they see them with their stars, with the many players who then get. Say as long as them believe in themselves. If you believe in yourself, it can happen. Say see them with all the players who then get. But me now, it's low key. I'm under the premier them to go far. But I don't want to say Saka go get injured or Saka go get burn out because if you can't overuse the guy, if the guy can't shine too much, or say Ben White go get injured, like me I dey protect my own interest first too before I know be England boy you get. So I don't want me to go wound our players. So if not for group stage, go and jar. So now my whole prayer with that. My Ghanaian people, me I know verse from me. Me I don't want to say Thomas Partey will get injured because our senior man in BO and I will go to use him now. So me I know as I use him. Me I go hire one professional doctor who will full him up and down to make sure say in the fit because this our city, it's our IPL. Who the play this is no one is and play we get. Our Joko said don't come and say I can't talk plenty about Martinelli. So Joko can praise Martinelli, say the guy is a very fine footballer. Say he even really dey surprised. Say Brazil coach Tite even invites Martinelli to come play for the Brazilians for the World Cup because number one, they say if Brazil selects you, like they select you, say come and play the World Cup for us, it means you are a very good player. Like you get talent, you are good. Now if they can't select you to come play, it's calling you. It's different from now selecting you to play. They can't select you to play. That means you are one of the elite players in world football because they get many stars for Brazil. In the year when they talk, say they no pick Gabigol Barbosa. That man self, a senior man on your own, they score goals like mad. Get here when Neto they para say why they don't carry that one, why they can't carry Martinelli. So Joko they talk say Martinelli if he no play for this competition, no. If you just go there as a bench member, it's possible if he no play. But one thing you are not going to rule out is the fact that next competition you get people like Carlos Neymar, they go down expire. People like Thiago Silva, they go down retire. You know many players go down fall off. You can't give room for people like Gabriel Magalhaes to even come in. Then Martinelli himself to come this slotting, to come they play because Brazil. I see that Brazil squad on my four. You see Vinicius Junior, you go see Rafinha, you see Neymar, you go see Martinez. Like stars, plenty. Guimaraes, they get many stars. You see England set up self. England just get individual names, but you see Brazil players, you see Spain players, see German. Players, this World Cup, you go sweet, we'll enjoy them. My football lovers, so I say I let you know say 1xBet then contact me, say they get offer for our community. Say they go like to give us some, they can show me sample of code. They say get some post so they go give me make I post for our community. Not be video post on a text too. So they get like offer, bonus and some kind of things. Me, I know they play sport bets. So I say make I ask una first whether una need or their offer, whether I don't know whether una they play sport bets because they say since now sports community we get, say our members feel like the offer. Say they'll give us some kind of code, maybe if you pay so amount, you get 100% bonus. I don't know what they take, they shall tell me, but say I say my first ask now whether una they interested in such an offer. If una they interested, then I go correct the text, I go post them again. It's like they go give me the promo day, they will put maybe walk up on go day, I don't know. So I say my let you know first, what you not think. And also if you don't watch our program and you never subscribe, but what you wait for now, make you subscribe, you get, especially if you're watching on YouTube. Subscribe, create an account and subscribe so that you will like, comment and share our posts. Make our reach they go far. Then if they watch us on Facebook, make you follow us. Unless you know they enjoy the show. If they enjoy our show, be part of our community now. Follow us so that anytime we go live, you will get the notification. That's very key because most people will message me say, CHUKS, you know they know when they go live. Why go they know now? When you know they follow us? Our chapter the next sporting director wey they call Carlo Nicotini. So Baba they expect say them will sell Michalo Mudriak for January. You get say they don't resign, say they will sell them. So no, yeah, so what's the men? Now they just enter negotiation with anybody who want buy the guy. And I don't say people in the talk to are like us now. So I just be happy say themselves don't they resolve, they don't they resign to fate. Say okay, we are selling this guy in January. So now when I ask them come cover the money. If they don't get money, maybe they go borrow money for bank or come buy the guy because sometimes you need to take risk. I know say we know to get money like Man City if you take risk on Grealish, £100 million and it's doing nothing. How many goals he don't score for per season? See Chelsea took a risk on Lukaku. How many goals did he score? They sent him out on loan back. You get so we too we don't take risk first time. We bought a paper £70 million. It didn't work out, but it shouldn't stop us from taking risk. So we have to take risk again on Michalo Mudriak. We know that it will work for us. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.